Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you do not want to miss an upload, not only do you need to subscribe, you need to hit the little bell so that you will be notified when I put up some videos. Anywho, I'm doing an update video on the main concept brown sugar side to side wigs that I have. I have 4 of them, but one of them I'm not actually finished like sort of testing and wearing more. So I have 3 of them for you today. So if you want to see some updates on those wigs, then this is the video for you. The first one that I have right here is one that I absolutely adore. This is Miss Sydney Ari, and I have her in the color SR1B Khaki Brown, and she's one that has sort of these bangs. You can click the bangs back or put them out or whatever, go side to side. The full review that I have is obviously already on my channel. It's in the playlist for the brown sugar wigs, or I'm sorry, the main concept wigs. I absolutely love this wig. When I wore her as the center part, and I actually tucked the bangs down on either side like this. But see, she actually can be worn with the bangs out like this or like this. Like, there's so many ways you can wear her. So for me, this is a super versatile wig. She's actually really, really long. I'd say 20, at least 24, maybe even pushing 26 inches. But I actually think that lends to her flexibility and her versatility, because she would easily be able to be trimmed up to your liking. So not only can you wear her different ways, but you can trim her up and change her up. So I think this is a great wig. If you watched any of my reviews on the Ari wigs, I had a love-hate at first with them. This is definitely a love wig. I've worn it a lot. I suggest her. I'm just going to give you a heads up. I do not suggest all of the Ari wigs. So you are going to want to watch the updates to, so I can let you know that some of them like definitely didn't work out for me. But this one's a keeper. Next up, I have Miss Barcelona Ari, and I have her in the color TE2/2730. And so this is a love-hate wig. I have a full review on her. I'm wearing her a little bit different in this video than I did in the other one, just so you could see sort of how different it can look. The color is stunning. I love the color. Absolutely love the color. Comfortable wig cap. I think the wig looks gorgeous. My problem is it's so like Sydney Ari, was it Sydney? Yeah. Sydney Ari was silky, but she had like more of a light yaki texture. This one's just silky, which looks beautiful, but she snags. She does snag a lot. I feel like too much. I think if you cut her, it wouldn't be as bad, but I'm going to sell this wig on my Poshmark because it is gorgeous, and I feel like for somebody it could work. But I have so many wigs that if I didn't have a lot of wigs, I would work with her, maybe put some styling cream in her to, you know, sort of maybe make it so that the fibers kind of like stick together a little bit, or use some freeze spray on her. I would do something because it looks gorgeous. Like, I mean, it's beautiful. But I just have so many wigs. I just don't want to mess with her, and I don't need to because I have other wigs. So if you were choosing one of the Aris, Barcelona Ari would not be the wig that I suggest. And that's what I have to say about her. Sorry, girl. Last but not least, I have Rome Ari, and I have her in the color SR2/Sandy Blonde, okay? And Rome Ari is long. This chick is long. I really love this texture. It's definitely a yaki texture. It's very full. It's very, very, very long. I kind of like that. Again, I really like these long wigs because you can then cut them up, cut them up, cut them up. I haven't got a ton of tangling. She is a yaki and also curly wig, so you're going to get like a little bit on the ends. But it comes, look. It comes out and then just like goes right back to looking really, really cute. So it does come out. I mean, she's like hecka long. She's like 24, 26 inches. So she's very, very long. I'm 5'6.5". So that's how long she is on me. This color's stunning. The texture is beautiful. Definitely a winner wig. This is a warm wig. I would suggest her. I am going to sell her, and this is why. I have a wig very similar to this, Sensational's Brianna, and I do have a review on her. She's like this wig, but a little bit shorter. They're very, very similar in color, extremely similar in texture, and I just feel like I don't need two, because I was like, yeah, I'll keep this one because I really love it, and then I'll just cut it. But then I'm thinking, I have Brianna, she's just almost exactly the same, and I would rather just sell this one and someone else can have it. It's really, really beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's really held up well. Like I said, it does have more of that natural yucky texture, so if you wanted to do blonde but you don't want it to be like too shiny, so cute in a ponytail, so cute. I do recommend her, but personally for me, I'm going to sell her just because I don't need two wigs that are almost exactly the same. Those are my update on the RE wigs. I do have a few more REs. I have Philly RE, which I did an initial which I did an initial review on, but I haven't done an update because I haven't worn her enough to give you a full update. And I feel like I just ordered another RE. Vegas RE? I think I ordered Vegas RE. So you'll see those in future updates, future videos. If there's any RE wig that you would like me to get that I haven't, because I think there's like a New York RE, and there's REs from all over. You can go ahead and put that down below. If there's any other wig in general that you want me to either review and or update, let me know that too. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!